Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you change your email into Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the email into your Coinbase, just simply open the Coinbase application into your phone, and after that tap into this button into the top left corner. From there, you can go to Profile and Setting by tapping into your profile. Click into that and go to Settings and scroll down to bottom until you see this Change Security Settings under the Security. Just simply tap into that and it will lead you to the login.coinbase.com site, which is the security site for your Coinbase account. Now after coming into here, you will get the option to update your email address into here. Just simply click to this update button and then it will send a 6-digit code into your phone number. Just simply enter the code and it will automatically be proceeded. Now you just simply have to enter your new email address into here. And after doing that, click to continue. Then it will send a 6-digit code into your new email address that you have just provided. Open up your email and enter the verification code from there into this box. Then after entering the code, your account will successfully be verified and your email will be changed successfully. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your email address into Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.